Hi, it's Marielle, Mom and a Girl with Plans, and I am catching up this week on my memory planning. I'm planning the beginning of February. So right now I'm almost about to be 3 weeks behind. Usually I plan the week previous to the current week. So right now I've got 2 that I'm trying to catch up on. And if you are behind, do not stress. It is not that hard to get yourself caught up. You just have to make sure that you're organized and ready to go when you do have time to plan. So what I do is when I'm prepping my pictures, I'll make the grids and then I print them out and I put the dates on the back. That way I know where they go when I'm planning. I've got mine ready to go. And then I also this week just kind of want to show you, typically, these are crazy pictures, you guys. But anyway, typically when I'm printing my photos, I do a 4 grid like this because it fits pretty close. You know, I mean, yes, of course, it's a little bit different, but they'll fit pretty nicely into the squares for each week perfectly. Now, what I do is if I'm going to maybe want some smaller pictures or something like that, I will always choose a template that has a line in the middle because I'll still have the width that I need, but I don't always have to have a perfect 4 square. You can, vary the sizes. I can have a large one, a small, a couple small, and different sizes to kind of add variety so that they're not all exactly the same. So as long as that line is in the middle, it'll be about the width of one of these boxes. If that doesn't matter to you, you don't have to even do that. You can make a grid any way you want. But this, for me, kind of keeps it easy, having the width be the width of the boxes. So this actually has some from the next week. So I'm going to go ahead and just cut out the ones that I need right here. And then I will be ready to start placing. Another tip is if you are, behind, just to grab like 1, 2 sticker books and just use those and just go with it. Instead of like, oh, let me find all the flowers and the different leaves from here and that takes time, and so what I did for this, I just grabbed 2, and I actually grabbed 2 old ones. I grabbed Sassy Plans just because I knew I would want some words out of it, and the memory keeping. So I'll show you kind of what I just picked out. Again, I'm trying to make it to where I can catch up and just have a cute decorated spread, but I don't want to spend like all day on it. So I grabbed all of this top part out of the Happy Memory Keeping, and then I grabbed these 3 out of the Sassy Plans. So the first thing I always do is lay out my photos. So, and some weeks you might not have as many pictures. You can print them different sizes. It doesn't have to be, everything the same size, everything, or you can even do like a really big picture if you only took 1 that week, or, like it doesn't have to be, a picture every day. And I think that's something that people think, oh, when I'm memory planning, I have to make sure I do it every day. I don't have pictures for every day. Like I have, and you can even, if there's something like a picture of your, let's say it's your animal, you can put it anywhere. It doesn't have to be on that particular day. An animal, it's kind of timeless, you can kind of use it whenever. So keep that in mind as your memory planning too, because it's not always about like specific events. It can also be just up, that you're just sharing a photo. Okay, so I'm going to kind of move these around. Sure, that's good. Okay, so I've got these ready to go. And also another thing, not everything has to be like, I took a picture of the TV. This one was a dinner that I hated. I did not like those noodles. They were really kind of gross, but like I'm documenting it. Not everything has to be like the perfect, happy, memory. Sometimes you might want to remember like, oh my gosh, remember when you made those crazy noodles and they were just awful? That's going in the memory book. So, all right. So first thing I'm going to do is I know I'm going to want to use some of these big boxes. So I might want to kind of leave some of these edges up so I can stick them underneath here. So I'm going to go ahead and start gluing these down. Okay, I've got these all stuck down now, and I'm just going to grab some of these. Another tip is you can actually cut, instead of just, layering these like behind like this, you're kind of wasting some of it. So what I might do, let's just try it, why not? And I'm freehanding this. I am just gonna go for it. I'm gonna cut a rectangle. Let's see if this works. We're gonna try it at least anyway. So I'm kind of cutting a rectangle out. And now it looks, whoa, I put it down wrong. It's gonna look layered when I'm done with it, but let's see if I can get this straight. You know me, I'm getting things straight. Okay, so now I'm all about not wasting this stuff, you guys. I'm so bad. Okay, I can use this little, kind of like a little washi strip accent on this side of the page to tie it in. I don't know where I'm gonna use it yet, but I will probably use this somehow, because that way, I mean, this just would have been underneath there. It would have been underneath there. No one would have seen it. So I've got this piece like that, and I'm going to probably do the same thing with this one. I'm trying to see where to put it. I think I'm going to put it on this. So I am, again, just going to go for it. I'm just going to cut and hope for the best. Okay. Oh, I missed a little piece right there. All right, there we go. So now again, I'm saving that little piece, and I'm going to put this up under here. No one's going to know, you guys. No one's going to know. Okay, there. So now I've got some pattern on both of the pages, and I've got two little strips, and I can, again, tie this to the other side and just kind of bring that, my goodness, bring that pattern over. Let me straighten this back up a little bit. Okay. And what I decided to do for this is just kind of use some of these like everyday type words. So let's see, this is going to be the eating. And we know how this is going to go because it's a nope. This is a no situation. Like, it was so bad, you guys. So clearly I will not be getting these ever again. There's some weird keto noodles, and I should have known better. Like, I should have known that, like, it's probably not going to be that great. Like, but I tried it. You know, you never know until you try, right? It's a thumbs down for me. Okay, and then let's see. This was, we were going shopping, and Riley was driving, which that right there is a, again, oh, this is terrible. It's another experience. And then, let's see, places we go. We took Izzy with us in the car. She loves to go in the car. It's ridiculous. I just went to the mailbox and she was like so excited. I'll do this. And you can see it's already really coming along and getting, you know, just decorated really quick. This is things we do. Whoa. This is things we do. I'll just put it right there. Okay. And I'm going to put this. Do I want to put loving here or here? Is it my husband or my dog? Oh, the choices. Here. This will make it better. This will make it. I'll put love the everyday under here. So Izzy's getting some love. And I will let my husband have all of this one. Ha! There. That's fair, right? Okay. And then let's see. We'll put happy. Actually, originally I was going to put love the everyday over here, but you know what? It's going to be happy now. And again, it's just getting, you know, it's getting done. It's getting decorated really quickly. I'm going to put true love. We're not super mushy, but that's kind of funny. Okay, and then this one, I'm going to cut because the weekend is spelled the other way, and I do love him, so I'm gonna try this. We're gonna do some sticker surgery, guys. I should have got my mini scissors out, but again, I'm just gonna go for it. We're gonna get rid of this E right here. There we go. So I'm gonna save that piece, And then we're gonna I'm gonna have to get really close. I should have grabbed my little scissors, but you know what? I think it's gonna work. I think it's gonna work. Let's try it. So there's that. And then I might need this to kind of line it up better. And I'm gonna take it, I feel like I'm far away from it. I can't see. Is that close enough? There. I love the weekend. That's so perfect. Okay, so I've got that down, and then I might just add these two pieces to try to bring the pattern over here. I can even cut it up if I want. Let's try that. I'm gonna cut this one in half, and I'm almost gonna use it like tape. So I'm gonna do it like that, like if it was just taped on there. Is that too close? And then I'm gonna do the same thing over here to tape the other ones in. And we'll put that maybe over here for a little pattern there. And we'll add one, maybe over here. There. So that's pretty easy. And then all I need to do is add a little, a couple boxes. So I can use, again, just some colorful boxes, or I've got these that are like a bunch of just random boxes. So I'm just gonna add some, and I think I'll be done. So let's take a look. I don't even have to. Technically, I could just get some markers and draw lines to journal, but since I've got these, I'm gonna go ahead and put some. I'm gonna put this for today. Like today I did my nails for Valentine's for next week. So I don't need a big box for that, but all right, so I've got that. And then another thing too is if you've got a box and it says, like, let's say it says get it done, and that's not something, let's try it. Not something you know, we're not getting it done. We're literally just gonna write something about the day. We can cut that off and then have a journaling box. So I'm gonna put it right here. So I can write about the yucky food, and actually I'm gonna layer these the other way so that the things we do pops up above. Oh, come on, work with me. I think I stuck it down really well, not knowing I was gonna do this. Okay, there we go. So now the things we do is kind of above that. And then, let's see, so we can do a bunch of those. Let's just go for it. I'll grab, I don't wanna use that color only because I'm gonna put it here and it's like too similar. So let's see what we got. Let's do this green one. And again, like something like today can work. It's just I did today right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it off. You can add other stickers with other words if you want. But this is fine by me. Okay. Ooh, I think I want it here though. Getting picky. So much for fast, right? No, but honestly, this takes me much less time to do a spread like this than it would if I were to, you know, go through all the stickers and pick stuff out of different books. So this actually works out great for me. And then I think I'll use a pink one over here in this corner to talk about Super Bowl. It's funny, like the only thing I cared about at the Super Bowl was the weekend. Alrighty. Okay, so I've got that. And I think I'm done. So again, it's just a fast and easy way to catch up on your memory planning. So now all I have to do is go back and journal, and I'm ready to move on to the next spread. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And I would love it if you would hit that like, subscribe, and remind bell so that you can see future videos from me. Thanks again and have a great week.